I am demonstrating live display of step-by-step calibration method for pressure gauge. After cleaning, visually inspect the pressure gauge for any physical damage. Keep the pressure gauge for at least 30 minutes for soaking at 23 plus minus 1.5 degrees centigrade so that the temperature is brought to equilibrium. Before starting calibration, ensure that the environment condition is maintained. The temperature should be between 23 plus minus 1.5 degrees centigrade and humidity should be 40 to 60% RH. For calibration, we will use dead weight tester. This is called pressure connector and this is dial of the pressure gauge. This pressure gauge is having range 0 to 400 bar and 0.1 bar resolution. For calibration, we need to do some preparation. For this, I have already mounted pressure gauge UUC on dead weight tester. Turn the screw pump handle clockwise fully. Open the HP valve and closed LP valve. Now operate priming pump lever several times and watch the oil spouting out of standpipe until no bubbles are seen in the return oil and full flow is established. After that, close the pressure valve. Before calibration, I am performing leak test. HP carrier's basic weight is 20 bar. I am demonstrating here leak test at 400 bar. Now put the weight 100 bar 3 numbers, 20 bar 4 numbers and fraction weight 0.2 bar 3 numbers, 0.1 bar 1 number and carrier weight 20 bar for 400 bar. Now operate the handle of the dead weight tester clockwise to raise pressure until the free piston and the weight rises up. Now operate it till full range, means maximum pressure on UUC is achieved. Perform leak test at maximum pressure on UUC. Hold it for 2 minutes at full pressure to check leaks if any. Here no leakage is found, so we will proceed for calibration. Now decrease the pressure by rotating handle anti-clockwise and remove weights that were put on the HP carrier. Now I am beginning calibration for increasing cycle. Put the weight 20 bar 4 numbers and 4 bar 5 number. .2 bar 1 number. HP carrier is 20 bar, which is equal to 120.2 bar. So total weight on HP carrier is 120.2 bar. Rotate handle clockwise and develop pressure inside the UUC. Now adjust the weight so that UUC shows 120 bar. Allow it to stabilize for 30 seconds. In the worksheet, Record the value of weight adjusted on the dead weight tester against UUC reading. In the same way, we can perform calibration for all calibration points as per calibration method. For decreasing cycle, I have already placed weight for 240 bar calibration point. Now I am demonstrating 160 bar calibration point for decreasing cycle. Remove the weight until the UUC shows 160 bar. Allow it to stabilize for 30 seconds. Now record the value of weight adjusted on dead weight tester against the UUC. Similarly, we can perform calibration for other calibration points for decreasing cycle. In this way, the demonstration of calibration of pressure gauge for one point is completed for this training purpose. You have to do this for all the points as per the method.